Students, now you are going to learn exercise 3.1. First problem, which of the following expressions are polynomials? If not, give reason. Suppose it is not a polynomial, you have to give reason. First problem, 1 by x square plus 3x minus 4. Second problem, x square into x minus 1. Third problem, 1 by x into x plus 5. Fourth problem, 1 by x power minus 2 plus 1 by x power minus 1 plus 7. Fifth problem, root 5x square plus root 3x plus root 2. Sixth problem, m square minus cube root of m plus 7m minus 10. Listen students, the first problem, second problem, third problem, fourth, fifth and sixth. These 6 problems you have to give the answers together. Okay, it is a one word questions. Just you have to like a tabular column you have to write. It is easy for you. The first problem, it is the given polynomial. You have to check it is a polynomial or not a polynomial. Okay, first you have to rearrange this given polynomial. How you have to rearrange this given polynomial? It is written as x power minus 2. Do you remember? 1 by a power m is equal to a power minus m. 1 by a power m is equal to a power minus m. This is the formula. 1 by a power m is equal to a power minus m. So this is written as x power minus 2 plus 3x minus 4. Okay. So now you have, for this polynomial, you have one negative power. Negative power is there, so it is not a polynomial. So you have to write not a polynomial, and reason, what is the reason? Negative integral power. We have one negative integral power. So it is not a polynomial. Second question, x square into x minus 1. Okay. Suppose you have to rewrite this as x cube. You have to make multiple these two, x square into x cube minus x. So now you have to check the powers. Power is negative? No. We have a positive integral power. So it's a polynomial. Non-negative integral power. We have positive power. So that is reason. What is the reason? Non-negative integral power. So it is a polynomial. Third question, 1 by x into x plus 5. So that is, you have to rearrange this given polynomial. So 1 by x is written as x power minus 1. So you have to apply this formula into x power 1 plus 5. Okay. You have to make multiple these two, x power 1 into x power minus 1 plus x power 1 into 5. So that is a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Do you remember? Yes. So it is in the form a power m into a power n. So that is a power m plus n minus 1 plus 1 plus 5 into x power minus 1. So now x power 0. Anything power 0 plus x power 0 plus 5 into x power minus 1. Yes. Anything power 0, 1, you know well. For it is a polynomial expression, you no need to write this value. Just you have to write it as a expression. Okay. So that is x power 0 plus 5 into x power minus 1. Now you have to check it as a polynomial. Yes? No. Why? Because it has one, this polynomial has one negative power. So it is not a polynomial. What is the reason? One of the power of x is negative. So it is not a polynomial. Okay, students? Yes? Okay. Next, fourth question, 1 by x power minus 2 plus 1 by x power minus 1 plus 7. It is written as x square. This is written as x power minus 1. For this, what is the formula? 1 by a power minus m is equal to a power m. Yes, so that is this is x square. It is x power 1 plus n. Now you have to check the power of this polynomial. Power of this polynomial is positive, so it is a polynomial. What is the reason it is a polynomial? For non-negative integral power. What is the meaning of non-negative? That is positive. Next, root 2 x square plus root 3x plus root 2. The powers you have to check the variables powers. It is 2, it is 1. These two also positive. So it is a polynomial. Okay, reason you have to write. Next, m square minus cube root of m plus 7m minus 10. So this is written as m square. This is m power 3 by 2. So that is cube root of m. This is written as m whole power 1 by 3. Okay, m whole power 1 by 3. Okay, students? Yes. So that is plus 7m minus 10. For here given m square plus 3 by 2 is given. Yes. So it is 1 by 2. Sorry, 1 by 3. Cube root is written as m square minus m power 1 by 3 plus 7m minus 10. Okay. So we have in this power we have a fraction. So it is not a polynomial. Okay. Listen students, for in a given polynomial, you have to check their powers. Suppose the powers is negative, the powers are negative or fraction, that is not a polynomial. Otherwise, we have to consider that is a polynomial. Okay students? Listen students, write the coefficient of x square and x in each of the following polynomial. First one 4 plus 2 by 5 x square minus 3x. Second problem 6 minus 2x square plus 3x cube minus root 7x. Third problem pi x square minus x plus 2. Fourth problem root 3x square plus root 2x plus 0.5. Fifth problem x square minus 7 by 2x plus 8. Okay. For these 5 problems, we have to find the coefficient of x square and x. Listen students, for the second problem, first you have to write the given polynomial. For this polynomial, you have to find coefficient of x square and coefficient of x. Now you have to consider x square for their coefficient. Before this variable, before what you have, with the sign you have to consider. Okay, this is the coefficient of x square. So coefficient of x square is 2 by 5. Coefficient of x is minus 3. You have to consider with the sign. Okay. So coefficient of x square is 2 by 5. Coefficient of x is minus 3. For this expression, now you have to check 6 minus 2x square plus 3x cube minus root 7x. We have to find for coefficient of x square, that is minus 2. Coefficient of x is root 7. Okay. Coefficient of x is root 7. Sorry, minus root 7. You have to consider with the sign, you know. So minus root 7. For this one, pi x square minus x plus 2. Coefficient of x square is pi. Coefficient of x is, say students, what do you have here? 1. Not given any number. What is this meaning? 1. So this is minus 1. Next, root 3x square plus root 2x plus 0.5. So coefficient of x square is root 3. Coefficient of x is root 2. For this problem, x square minus 7 by 2x plus 8. Coefficient of x square, say students, 1. Okay. Coefficient of x is minus 7 by 2. Third question, find the degree of the following polynomials. 1 minus root 2 y square plus y power 7. How you read this? Y power 7. Second question, x cube minus x power 4 plus 6x power 6 whole divided by x square. How you say this? whole divided by x square. Third problem, x cube into x square plus x. Fourth problem, 3x power 4 plus 9x square plus 27x power 6. Fifth question, 2 root 5p power 4 minus 8p cube by root 3 plus 2p square by 7. We have to find degree. Listen students, for this problem, given polynomial in a simplified form. Okay, so that is the first problem, 1 minus root 2 y square plus y power 7. It is in a simplified form. Yes, for it has a no common terms or anything. Okay, so it is the simplified form. Now you have to find degree. Degree means highest power of this expression. Highest power of this polynomial. For it is power 2 power 7, which is greater 7. So degree is equal to 7. Now, second problem, x cube minus x power 4 plus 6x power 6 whole divided by x square. So, this x square, the given polynomial not in a simplified form, you have to make simplification. Yes. So, that is, for this x square is common for these three terms. Yes. So, you have to rewrite this as x cube by x square minus x power 4 by x square plus 6 x power 6 by x square. Now you have to make cancel these two and these two. That is, in this denominator we have x square. For here x cube. What is the meaning of x square? X square means it is x into x. X cube, what is the meaning? X into x into x. So you have to make cancel this 2 times x. Yes, you have to make cancel these two. That is this x and this here. Okay. So remaining how much? 1. So that is x power 1, or just you write x. X, what is this meaning of this term power? 1. So now minus x power 4 by x square. So how many x is here? 2. For here 4. So 2 times cancelled. How much is remaining? 4. This power you have to make cancel. So 4 cancelled and write 2. Now 6x power 6 by x square. X power 6 by x square. 2 times cancelled. How much is remaining? 6 minus 2? 4. So 6x power 4. So they are simplified form x minus x square plus 6x power 4. Now you have to check which is the highest power. They are power 1. For the second term power 2. Third term power 4. So degree is equal to 4. For this problem, x cube into x square plus x. For it is not in a simplified form. You have to make simplify. You have to make multiple these two. X cube into x square. When you make multiplication with the same base, you have to add the power. So that is x cube into x square. So that is equal to x power 3 plus 2. A power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Do you remember the formula? Yes. So that is x power 3 plus 2, 5. So that is x cube into x square, x power 5. Then x cube into x, their power is 1. So x power 4. In these two terms, which is greatest power? 5. So degree is equal to 5. For this fourth problem, 3x power 4 plus 9x square plus 27x power 6. It is in a simplified form. So you have to check the power, which is the greatest power? 6. So degree is equal to 6. For this problem, 2 root 5 into p power 4 minus 8p cube by root 3 plus 2p square by 7. This also in a simplified form. You have to consider the variable power. This is 4, this is 3, this is 2. So the highest power is 4. So the degree is equal to 4. Fourth question, rewrite the following polynomial in standard form. Okay, you have to arrange in standard form. The meaning of standard form is you have to arrange the power of the expression. Power of this expression you have to arrange in ascending order or descending order. Okay. First problem, x minus 9 plus root 7 x cube plus 6 x square. Second problem, root 2 x square minus 7 by 2 into x power 4 plus x minus 5 x cube. Fourth problem, 7x cube minus 6 by 5 x square plus 4x minus 1. Fourth problem, y square plus root 5 y cube minus 11 minus 7 by 3 y plus 9 y power 4. For this problem, you have to write in standard form. Given polynomial, you have to write in a standard form. So that is the given polynomial x minus 9 plus root 7 x cube plus 6x square. You have to arrange the powers in descending order or ascending order. Okay, we have to use descending order. Descending order means, you know, what is the meaning of ascending order and descending order? Ascending order, we have to arrange the numbers in smallest to greatest. Descending order, arrange the numbers from greatest to smallest. Okay, yes. For this, which is the highest power? 3. So root 7 x cube plus 6x square, then plus x minus 9. So it is the standard form. Then this second problem, root 2 x square minus 7 by 2 x power 4 plus x minus 5x cube. Yes, students. So this is first one is what, which is the highest power? This is, so minus 7 by 2 x power 4. Next greatest power is x cube minus 5x cube plus root 2 x square plus x. Third problem, 7x cube minus 6 by 5 x square plus 4x minus 1. So that is, you have to arrange in order. 7x cube, it is already given in a order, so just you take and write. Next, the last problem, y square plus root 5 y cube minus 11 minus 7 by 3 y plus 9 y power 4. So now you have to arrange the greatest power, that is 9 y power 4. Next greatest power, root 5 y cube. Next y square. Then minus 7 by 3 y. Then constant minus 11. For these are the standard form. Fifth problem, add the following polynomials and find the degree of the resultant polynomial. For here 3 problems are given. I am going to teach first problem. Okay, remaining you have to find out yourself. That is p of x is equal to 6x square minus 7x plus 2. Q of x is equal to 6x cube minus 7x plus 15. We have to add these two polynomials, then from their result you have to find the degree, that is highest power. Listen students, first you write the given polynomial p of x is equal to, what is given, take and write, 6x square minus 7x plus 2. Q of x is equal to 6x cube minus 7x plus 15. We have to add these two polynomials, that is p of x plus q of x. First you have to write p of x plus q of x, the polynomial q of x value. Now you have to add. For addition, in variables, you know, in algebra, addition is possible for like terms. Like terms means, you know, it has the same variable and same power. Same variable and same power. For these two polynomials, highest power for x cube we have here 6x cube. Any of the terms with the x cube? No. So just take and write 6x cube. Plus then x square term, how many is here? Only 1. Just take and write with symbol. Next x terms, how many x terms are here? Minus 7x, minus 7x. So that is same sign. You know well, same sign you have to add. Yes, minus 7 plus minus 7. What do you get? Minus 14. Minus 7 plus minus 14. Integer rules. Same sign we have to add. After adding, have to use the same sign. That is 14x. Then plus 2, same sign. Constant have same sign. So add 2 plus 2, 4. So the answer 6x cube plus 6x square minus 14x plus 4. So the degree of the resultant polynomial is equal to 3. How you say it is 3? Because in this expression highest power is 3. So degree is equal to 3. Listen students, sixth problem. Subtract the second polynomial from the first polynomial and find the degree of the resultant polynomial. You have to subtract second polynomial from the first polynomial. So that is, what is this meaning? First polynomial minus second polynomial. The second polynomial subtract from this first polynomial. Okay, that is p of x is equal to 7x square plus 6x minus 1. Q of x is equal to 6x minus 9. Listen students, p of x is equal to 7x square plus 6x minus 1. Q of x is equal to 6x minus 9. It is the given polynomial. Now you have to find for p of x minus q of x. You have to write inside the bracket first polynomial minus second polynomial. Okay, so that is the first polynomial not get any changes, just take and write 7x square plus 6x minus 1. Then for the second polynomial, outside we have minus, common minus is there. So you have to remove the bracket, that is this minus take inside. Minus 6x, here minus, it is plus, minus into plus minus, then minus into minus 9, so that is plus 9, minus into minus plus. Okay, so that is 7x square. For x square term we have only one, so that is taken right 7x square. Here we have two x terms, it is plus 6x minus 6x, plus 6 minus 6 become 0, so that is 0x plus minus 1 plus 9. These two have different sign, plus 1, sorry, minus 1 plus 9. So you have to subtract from greater number to smaller number. So that is 9 minus 1, 8. The greater number sign is plus. So 7x square plus 0x plus 8. So this is written as 7x square plus 8. We have to write the degree of the resultant polynomial. So that is, for this result, the greatest power is 2. So degree of the resultant polynomial is equal to 2.